All right. There are four main types of winter precipitation here in East Tennessee, but very seldom do we get just one type. Usually we don't see just snow, we see a mixture of precipitation. So let's figure it all out here. Winter weather, sleet. We talk about sleet. Snow melts in the warm, and I hit the button. Okay. All right, here we go. 3, 2. There are four main types of winter precipitation here in East Tennessee, and it takes all four to make 3, 2. There are four main types of winter precipitation here in East Tennessee. All of those could produce different situations, starting with rain. Rain is probably the easiest to forecast in the winter. Snow melts from clouds. It starts in the clouds and encounters some warmer air above freezing, and it hits the ground as liquid, hits the ground as rain. No issues, it's just rain, and we get that quite a bit here in East Tennessee in the winter time. What about sleet? Everything starts at snow in the clouds, okay? Snow in the clouds, and as they fall down, it encounters above freezing temperatures, and the snowflakes turn into what we call sleet pellets, little chunks of ice. Not hail, but just little chunks of ice, kind of like birdseed or rabbit pellets, that sort of thing. As it hits the ground, that's what it feels like. You kind of hear it pinging off the cars. So that's sleet. Sleet's dangerous if you get a lot of it. But the most dangerous type of winter precipitation is freezing rain, because it starts as snow in the clouds, and then as it melts, it comes down and goes above freezing, turns into water, and then hits the ground as liquid but freezes upon contact. That's why trees and power lines come down, and that's why it's very hard to drive when you have freezing rain. That's why I consider freezing rain the most dangerous type of winter precipitation. Snow can be dangerous, but it's also a lot of fun. If the column of the air is cold enough from the cloud all the way to the ground and there's enough moisture, well, we get snow, and everybody gets out and enjoys that in most cases, especially the kiddos. Keep in mind that sleet and hail are not the same thing. We talk about hail in the springtime.